The average digital nomad isn't the image of a young backpacker, fresh out of school, as often portrayed. But instead, someone in their late 30s, often with years of professional experience under their belt. This reality shatters the often glamorized social media stereotype of carefree travel. The reality? It's far more grounded. Remote work is still work, demanding focus and dedication. Deadlines still loom, clients still need attention, and projects don't magically disappear, awaiting your return. They don't vanish just because you're soaking up the sun in Bali or exploring the streets of Barcelona. The real freedom comes from the power of choosing your environment and designing your day, not from escaping the responsibilities that come with professional life. Successful nomads are meticulous planners. They diligently research visa requirements, meticulously hunt for reliable Wi-Fi connections, and skillfully juggle the complexities of multiple time zones. It's a complex logistical puzzle, requiring constant problem-solving, and certainly not a permanent vacation from the demands of a career. The discipline to consistently work full days, to maintain productivity, even with the allure of a new city beckoning right outside your window, is absolutely essential for success. You essentially become your own IT support team, troubleshooting technical issues, your own travel agent, navigating bookings and logistics, and even your own HR department, handling administrative tasks. The lifestyle is fundamentally about integrating work seamlessly with travel and personal growth, fostering a holistic experience, and certainly not about running away from the responsibilities of work. It's a deliberate trade-off, a conscious decision, exchanging the predictability of a traditional job for the autonomy of location independence, with a full understanding of all the unique challenges and rewards that this lifestyle inevitably brings. What's the biggest draw that pulls people towards the digital nomad lifestyle? What makes them pack their bags and trade the ordinary for the extraordinary? It's the freedom, the unparalleled freedom over your schedule, your location, the ability to choose where you want to be, and ultimately, your life. It's about designing a life on your own terms. Imagine working from a charming Greek cafe in the summertime, the sun warming your face as you type away, or chasing the fleeting beauty of cherry blossoms in Japan during the spring. Geo-arbitrage, a key perk, lets you earn in stronger currencies like dollars, and spend in places where your money stretches further, like pesos, effectively stretching your income further and allowing you to live more comfortably. But it's not just about the travel and the financial advantages, it's about consciously designing a life that truly inspires you and aligns with your values. Living abroad offers a level of real cultural immersion that you just can't get from a vacation. Shopping at local markets, learning new customs and traditions firsthand, and building genuine, lasting global friendships. The whole experience builds resilience as you navigate new environments and cultivates adaptability in the face of the unexpected. Many nomads are driven entrepreneurs or skilled freelancers, boldly forging their own paths and creating their own opportunities. You become the architect of your own life's design, and not just a small, insignificant cog in a large corporate machine. The constant change and new experiences fuel creativity, sparking new ideas, and fostering profound personal growth and self-discovery. For many, it represents a more fulfilling and meaningful alternative to the often stressful and limiting traditional career ladder. Most nomads start with freelancing, writing, design, coding, marketing, using platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Building a strong portfolio and client base is key. Many earn more per hour than traditional employees, thanks to specialized skills. Others land remote jobs with companies that embrace location independence, especially in tech. These roles offer stability and benefits but require finding employers who support flexible schedules. Some start online businesses, e-commerce, courses, blogs, or YouTube channels. The smartest nomads build these ventures as side hustles before going fully remote. Consulting and coaching are also popular, letting professionals monetize their expertise. The common thread: leveraging digital skills for location freedom. Instagram often glamorizes the nomad life, painting a picture of constant travel and exotic locations, but the reality is often far less idyllic and much more challenging than those carefully curated images suggest. Reliable Wi-Fi becomes a daily battle, a constant quest for a stable connection. Because no internet often means no income, halting your work and disrupting your workflow. Loneliness is a very real concern. Friendships can be fleeting and transient, as you and others are constantly on the move. And building a strong, supportive community takes considerable effort and consistent engagement. Maintaining productivity is tough, without the structure of a traditional office environment. Therefore, self-discipline is absolutely non-negotiable if you want to stay on track and meet your goals. Many digital nomads use strict daily routines and various productivity hacks to stay focused, manage their time effectively, and maintain a sense of control. The logistics of this lifestyle are relentless and never-ending. Visas, banking, housing, and the constant travel can lead to significant fatigue, both physical and mental. Planning never truly stops. It's an ongoing process, and constantly adapting to new places and cultures often feels like a full-time job in itself. There's a lot of invisible work. Organizing your life, troubleshooting technical issues, and constantly adjusting to new environments, all of which demands a great deal of resilience. The lifestyle certainly rewards flexibility and adaptability, but it's definitely not a path for the faint of heart or those who crave stability. Ultimately, success depends on grit, determination, organization skills, and a constant willingness to solve problems on a daily basis, no matter where you are in the world. This lifestyle isn't for everyone, and that's okay. It suits the self-disciplined, adaptable, and those who embrace uncertainty. If you crave routine and stability, constant travel may feel overwhelming. The best nomads aren't escaping, but seeking adventure and growth. If you struggle with solitude or need external structure, think twice. Most nomads work full-time or more. The freedom is earned, not given. Slow travel, staying months in one place, often proves more sustainable and rewarding. It allows for deeper connections and a better work-life balance. Many eventually find home bases, blending travel with familiarity. Ask yourself, are you after a temporary adventure or a lifestyle change? Do your skills translate to remote work, and do you have a financial cushion? The nomad path is challenging but can redefine your relationship with work and the world. If you're ready for freedom and uncertainty, maybe it's time to take your career on the road.